Good morning. They're starting to fight again. Yeah, slept through the night. There was some lightning, but nothing major. Only woke up twice. Once, the first time the first or the second time, I think it was the second, maybe. But I'm pretty sure I heard something running around, going through camp. Small, sounded more like a bunny rabbit. I think it may have been a rabbit, so. But, alright, well, we're on to cooking breakfast. Got chocolate chip muffins. Gonna bake them the way I did back. The kids wanted back, but I figured this would be tastier for them. They're just trying to get the squaw wood now.
What do you need help on that?
I'll see how. I've showed you guys exactly what you need to find.
I know, but I can't reach the squaw wood on cedar.
All of it's cedar isn't the only source of squaw wood, Gareth.
No, but all the other stuff is too thick.
And your shoes are still untied. Pour again. No, you don't. You're not going to get big branches. Squaw wood is very thin branches.
That's it.
Alright, so, yeah. So, everything's a little damp due to the dew, so gonna be interesting trying to get stuff done. Yeah, it's like probably 6:20 in the morning. I don't got my watch on me right now, so I'm not sure, to be honest. Guys, enough! Hush, and stop wiping your nose on your shirt, Moose. Okay, well, until we're ready, I think I'll let you guys go for now, so see you in a bit. Alright. Everything's a bit damp, so I'm gonna light the fire this morning.
I wish I could.
So, I'm just gonna do it the old-fashioned way, flint and steel. It's my backup set.
Wait, I thought you were gonna do it on this.
Turn on the thoughts right. No. Try the other. On the other. Derek, stop that. You're wasting it.
Wasting it?
That will wear down to nothing if you keep doing that.
And I got a video. How? How would it wear down?
See that?
Ooh.
Yeah. You need to be careful, Gareth.
Go away, Aunt. This is... Go away. I want to sit here.
Knock it off now. You know what? Do it. I don't think I charged this stuff good enough. This should just burst.
Yeah.
There you go.
Oh, now there's a good fire. Now we feed it. Of course. Eat, fire, eat. Ah, I killed another one. Just a fly, guys. Those very smart ones. And you can see that smoke. Wait, I go put these videos together?
No, that'd be too long and too big. I'd have to come down to about 15 minutes or so.
Almost everyone would get bored if it's long, right?
No.
What's moving?
Alright, got the hot chocolate going, starting to get good bad embers. Should be able to start baking soon.
Coming
Like the double chocolate chip muffins. Alright,
Yum, yum.
so that should have to be really good. I'm gonna be sitting over there for this really nice little spot here. So, oh man, it's nearly starting to catch now.
I think you could bake now.
No, because I do not need no quarter. I need a bed of embers, coals. So I'm gonna put a little bit underneath here. We'll do 3 rocks, put a little bit in the middle. Then we'll put more on top of this.
Like you did last time.
Well, you guys didn't want to see it last time. So, okay. Yeah. Another unfortunate feature of this camera is that there's no buttons on the view screen. So I can't just go record. I gotta go around back. Shoot.
What?
Keep forgetting. Don't grab the metal. My own fault.
It's his own fault that he got a blister.
It's not a blister. I burned myself.
Whatever it is.
Okay, that's just about. There you go. Yeah, I got the idea for the lid there from Bushcraft USA. Someone else did that, and like I can't remember who it was, but saw that. I was like, wait, I got one of those. And all the kids stole one of the. I can't remember the name of the brand now, but they got into it, popped it open. One didn't trust me anymore, so dumped them.
Dumped what?
The oats you stole. Anyway, so I took the lid and did a test fit, and it fits pretty well. Like, hey, this is good. Which means, really, buying it for just me alone, if I wanted to do a little bit back, I use my cup. So I mean, it's really a good idea.
So
Pretty
Barrick
awesome.
is actually liquid?
No.
Oh.
I'd be cooking within it. I know there's an ant on my foot.
Ants are fine. Mosquitoes are not.
A little bit more. I'm gonna be making the kids we're gonna have hot chocolate with breakfast.
Hot chocolate. Hot chocolate.
It's already 7 o'clock in the morning. We got up about 6. That's the problem with getting up, camping out during this time of year. So early. Oh well.
Yeah, oh well.
Alright, well, I think I'm about ready to get the kids their cups, so.
Yay, 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 yay.
I'll bring you guys back when we get ready to bake. Alright, so the reason why I didn't show the finished product is because it was burnt. I mean, it wasn't completely inedible, but it wasn't nearly as good as the bannock I made the first time around. Oh well, gotta try to figure out how to do that right. I mean, it's store-bought premix, so it's that Jiffy stuff, which is good. I mean, if I actually had an oven, that would be one thing, but so anyhow, we're going to be breaking down camp, starting to get stuff up to the house. Then I'll start uploading everything. At least editing and uploading. Alright, so as always, have fun, play hard, and I'll see you in the woods.